In this video, we will see how to generate augmented environments with BrightEarth On demand. Steps overview. 1. Start with an extraction. 2. Launch an augmentation. 3. View results. 4. Download the data. Step 1. Start with an extraction. To launch an augmentation, you must first perform an extraction. Once an extraction has been done, you can explore the layer by opening the table of content. By clicking on 3D button in the buildings layer, you can display buildings at level of details 1, represented by footprints with heights, allowing for basic 3D visualization. Step 2. Launch an augmentation. To enhance these buildings, start a new process via the Actions menu. Select Augment Existing Extraction. Find the desired extraction in your project list and click Next. Give your augmentation a name, and then configure the following options. For texturing, the default formats used are PNG and JPG. Optionally, you can choose KTX2 and WebP formats for better performance. For metadata, you can choose whether or not to include object attributes. Keep in mind that not all third-party tools support this feature. Click Next to review your settings, including credit usage. Click Submit to confirm and launch the augmentation in the cloud. You can track progress in the notification panel. Thanks to parallel processing, results are generated quickly. Step 3. View results. Once complete, your new dataset appears on the left. Click the display icon to visualize your textured, geometrically augmented buildings. Specifications will vary depending on the geographic zone. Consider removing the building of extraction from 3D view to ensure to display it properly. Step 4. Download the data. Click the download button. If you haven't already, install the BrightEarth downloader. A prompt will guide you. Once installed, choose where to save your data. Note that 3D tiles are downloaded in compressed format by default. Some tools, like ArcGIS Pro, require uncompressed files. Use the toggle to export them in the right format. This 3D tile data can now be used in third-party software such as Unreal Engine. In this video, you learned how to generate augmented content in BrightEarth On demand. Stay tuned for upcoming videos showing how to use this data in third-party software.